I ain't no mechanic. I never was. But I always loved cars. For as long as I can remember, I've always been attracted by cars. Ever since I worked on the Corvette for the first time when I was like 4 years old, or a little bit more recently when I decided to work on movie cars, such as the Back to the Future DeLorean, the Fast and the Furious Eclipse, or in this case, the Fast and the Furious Jetta, better known as the Bring Back Jesse Jetta. In late 2016, I received a message on one of my Instagram posts by none other than Chad Lindberg. For those of you who doesn't know, Chad Lindberg is Jesse from the original Fast and Furious. And I remember back then, I was still shocked to receive a message from an actor of one of my favorite movie. And I can remember that post like it was yesterday. You need to build a Jetta now.
Hi, I'm Chad Lindberg, and I played Jesse in the original The Fast and the Furious. I'm here today to talk about something really amazing called the Bring Back Jesse project.
So after he did that video, he sent me a message. He told me, well, Dom, go watch the videos and you'll see. And I was shocked because in the video, he's telling the people that he's actually coming to the Paul Walker Memorial Ride.
We're going to unveil it at the Paul Walker Ride in Montreal, Quebec, Canada in May. I said to Dominic, I'm going to be there to support, and we're going to...
So fast forward to 2017, the moment arrived, and we had to deliver the car to Jesse. And I can remember this moment like it was yesterday. It was... like the shop where the car was built was packed with people. I remember there was even that dude in blue, David Patterson, was there. And he was like, well, I'm going to film this.
In this building is a full replica of his Jetta being built. And we're going to see it unveiled to him with his reaction and everything. And plus we get to hang out with Chad Lindberg. So that's pretty...
Little that we knew back then, that video that was uploaded a couple months after the unveiling actually got over 4 million views. The story of the Bring Back Jesse Jetta went across the world, and now there's not a single day that me or Chad are walking in the street and people are asking us about the Bring Back Jesse Jetta, what's happening with that car, and they are telling us that they saw the video. And it's just cool. That car is a whole different thing. Our main goal is not to bring back Jesse into the movie. Bring Back Jesse is about getting the opportunity to people to meet the character from the movie. So back to the story. The Bring Back Jesse Jetta, for me, it's much more than a car. It's just positive vibe. This car brings back a lot of memories for both Chad and I, and also people who helped me out building that car, like Scott Centra. For those of you who doesn't know, Scott Centra is actually the mastermind behind this Jetta build, but not this exact Jetta. The real Jetta. He's the guy who bought the car brand new, decided to build that car over the years in the 90s, and he created the real Fast and Furious Jetta. I was lucky enough to have Scott Centra as some kind of a technical advisor on this build. Without Scott Centra, I don't think that this Jetta would be anywhere near as good as it looks right now. I don't say by any means that this car is perfect, but it just feels right about this whole Bring Back Jesse movement. This car suits our needs with this movement, and the best reason of all, the fans love it. For the rest of the story, well, we'll need to wait because it's only the beginning, and we are hoping to bring this car in LA pretty soon so people can meet Jesse in front of the Fast and the Furious house. So guys, this was the Bring Back Jesse story, as it is in 2019, there's still a ton of projects with that car coming up. And please, if you did like that video, don't forget to drop a like. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time and it helps me a lot. And don't forget to share my YouTube channel. I upload every Wednesday. In that case, I'm sorry because this video took me way more time than I was expecting. And I think the last video was 2 weeks ago. I'm super sorry about that. There's a ton of stuff coming up. Next video, you're going to see some new steps into the S2000 project. And also we are going to drop the new name of the project. You're going to love it, that's for sure. So there's an S2000 video coming next. It's going to be amazing. You're going to love that project so much, I'm pretty sure. So guys, like I said, if you did like that video, don't forget to drop a like. And by the way, while you're at it, just leave a comment. I really want to read you. So guys, until then, I see you soon. Peace out.